Hi parents, this is Miss Looper. Just wanted to give you a little bit more information about open house. So you will come in from the main office from this direction, hit the center circle where some of those people are standing right now, come down this hallway, past the kindergarten rooms, and then we are in room 310. If you forget that, my name is on the door as well as my face. We have a giant one hanging up, and my name is on the door. So once you find our classroom, you will come in. Very first thing you're going to do, if you have not already, is scan this QR code to download the NCPS app, which houses Rooms, which is our communication app. And then there are two ways I need for you to sign in this year. One is going to be school-based. It's going to ask you for your email just to make sure that we have your correct email on file. And then for me, I ask that you sign in with your name and your signature just so that I have record that you were here tonight. And then you will walk over to your student's desk. They each have their name tag already, so you can easily find their name. On each student desk, you will see a take-home folder and a few pieces of paper that I'll need for you to fill out tonight. I know the open house is busy and crazy and you might have more than one to get to. So the only thing that I ask for you to fill out at open house are these two sheets of paper. One is a student info sheet that just gives me a little bit more information about your kid that might not be picked up in general info sheets that are school-based, and then a transportation sheet. The top of this sheet tells me how the children will get home on the first day of school. The bottom half tells me how they'll get home the rest of the school year. And then in here, this is the folder that they will take home and bring back to school every single day of the school year. And so I'll go ahead and get it started now. When you open up the folder, everything on this side you are taking home with you, and it does not need to come back to school. Inside this piece of the folder, you will see a link to my Amazon wish list. If you choose to donate to our classroom, please, no pressure. You just scan the QR code. There is also a contact card for me with my email and my planning period if you ever need to schedule a meeting with me. There is a handle with care card. Just gives you a little bit more information about what that means. There is a Dear Teacher, Come See Me card that if you ever have a student in any type of extracurricular activity that wants to invite me to come see them, you can fill that out, send it back to me, and I will try my best to be there if I can. This parent handbook just has information about our specials, our behavior stuff, everything that you'll need to know about how our classroom functions. Then I Meet the Teacher letter, just a little bit more information about me. Your Pick My Kid tags. Everybody has these, even if your child is a bus rider. A Pick My Kid connection code if you need to connect another student or another parent to your student. A Rooms connection in case you need to get connected to Rooms. A health form that needs to be filled out and brought back to school. And then AR letter, give you a little bit more information out of AR program. And then a decoding sheet and a handwriting sheet that just helps you help your child be a little bit more successful at home. Then everything in this paper clip and underneath this blue sticky note needs to come back to school on the very first day. So on Monday, everything in this paper clip needs to come back to school. You can send it right back in this folder on this side. Just put it all together and then send it on back to school on the first day of school. Then you fill out these papers again, and I'll show you where to put them in just a second. And then these are for your kiddo to take home just as a treat and a thank you for coming to meet me at open house. And then here is the rest of our classroom. This will be scrolling on the screen. It has our special schedule. It has our daily schedule. So just, it will roll through every few seconds. And then over this way is where you will drop off those two sheets that you filled out at open house in this basket. And then on this table, if you happen to bring any donations to our classroom, you're more than welcome to drop them off on this table. Again, everything in here is going home with you, and then the stuff in the paper clip come back to school on the very first day. and this is what I need filled out tonight at open house. So I'm so excited to meet you, and I can't wait for tonight. Bye.